if you just want to be glammed at the park, it's fine. But you just put her on your head. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you feeling today? I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy. What y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Guys, I'm tired. I'm tired, y'all. I got this wig for y'all from this Bobbi Boss. Bobbi Boss. Y'all know when I say Bobbi Boss, I gotta say it like that. I got this Bobbi Boss wig, the Truly Me Easy Everyday Wear. This is from the Truly Me line. This is the style Miss ANDRINA, and I have her in the color 1B. You know what? I reviewed a Bobbi Boss Truly Me wig a long time ago when I first started. But that wig review was so bad that I never posted it. Y'all want to know what wig I'm talking about? It was winter. Y'all let me know if y'all still want me to post that wig. I mean, it wasn't too bad, but I was so lame in that review. I didn't really know how to edit, you know. I was just like, I didn't know how to film. My lighting probably was off. I probably just should post it for the sake of posting it. This wig is supposed to be very easy, very breezy, easy every day. And I like Bobbi Boss wigs, so I picked it up for you guys so we can review it. There's a whole bunch of other ones that are new that came out, but this is what we're working with today, okay? So this wig has the two combs in the front, one here, one there, and one in the back. It has your lace part in the middle. It's supposed to be easy, plop and go. Look at these curls, y'all. Y'all see this wig? Look at that. This is beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my head real quick. I feel like my light is too bright. It doesn't help that I'm wearing neon. That's my dog. Alright, let's put this on. You know what? Here's my wig grip. Let me put it on with my wig grip. So this is what she's looking like right on my head. And I think she's really pretty already. I can see it. She cute, y'all. She is cute. Y'all see this? Y'all see what's happening right now? My dog like wants to film. Can we back up? Back up off me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this lace off real quick. Can't find nothing, y'all. I've been filming all day.
Mama.
What?
What do you want?
What do you want?
We're having pizza.
Oh, what do I want for dinner? Say that. Alright. I'm just putting some serum on this. Wig spray. I'm gonna go put some powder on this and maybe a little bit of heat. We'll see. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am finished doing whatever I thought I was doing in the bathroom. I didn't have to do anything in there, girl. I'm done. I put her on. I didn't do anything. I brushed it out. I put a little bit of heat up here, but honestly, I don't feel like you needed to. And then I put some powder in the parting space. I did pluck like 2 hairs right here because sometimes it's like, I don't know why they put them hairs right there in the parting space. But so this unit is glueless. As you see, she is bam, bam, bam. This is a simple, easy, everyday wig. The style is not everyday, but what they're saying is it's very easy to wear. There's no gluing down, there's no melting, there's no curling. I mean, you pretty much take her out the pack. You need some curls in your hair, bam. You need a nice looking look, oh my goodness, I got it. Like really just straight fresh out the pack, looking like this. I mean, brush her out a little bit. It really is super duper easy. I mean, this is one of those signature wigs in your collection where you don't have time to do all of that and you just put her on. This is exactly what she is. Super easy, super glam. Or if you just want to be glammed at the park, it's fine. But you just put it on your head and that's it. It's it, okay? I feel like the texture is really good on this wig. I feel like Bobbi Boss does a really good job with their textures. This doesn't feel too plasticky to me. She will tangle on you because she is synthetic, but I feel like once you brush her and tame her right, she's gonna be all right. This wig looks a little bit fuller than it really is. It is a little thin, but I feel like for the style and the curls, it works. It's fine. It's not too bad to me. This wig is very affordable. It's like under 30 bucks, guys. So Bobbi Boss created this line, you know, I feel like just to kind of give us more affordable options when you don't want to do all that melting and laying down lace. You still get good looks. And it's cool. I feel like I want to go back and get more colors in this wig because I feel like this wig absolutely is one of those wigs that you might need to stock up on for every time you want to run a Red Lobster. This is that wig. Alright guys, I need to wrap this video up. I know y'all hear all kind of sound effects in the background. Shout out to my husband for keeping the kids quiet like shh, mama's filming. Or taking them to the pool, taking them to the beach, whatever. Shout out to him because without him, I promise you, there will be no Miss Chrissy. I cannot do what I do if I did not have him. So shout out to him. I'm really grateful for him. I'm sorry, I know that was random, but I had to say that because, woo, the struggle is real in these YouTube streets. Okay guys, let me know what you guys are thinking about her. I'm sorry if I missed anything, but it's nothing much else to say about this wig. It's really easy, really simple. Oh, she does have some layers. You guys see that? Y'all see the layers. You know what? Like I said, I gotta wrap this video up. If you have any questions, let me know what you're thinking about this wig. Down below, ask me. I have no problem answering any questions. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your notifications on, and until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.